The OpenKM document management system facilitates the automatic extraction of invoice data. Thanks to the OpenKM OCR module, the software is capable of managing various invoice models in a multitude of formats. The client, through the definition of metadata, will be able to define what information they wish to capture. In the OpenKM documentation, the installation administrator will find ready-to-use metadata structures. They only need to edit certain fields so that the metadata definition fits the use case. Thus, when a user enters OpenKM, they only have to upload a set of invoices. These are identified by OpenKM, which automatically extracts the relevant data from each invoice. As we can see, OpenKM assigns the corresponding metadata group to each type of invoice. In addition, OpenKM is prepared to manage incidents in the automatic data capture. Here we see how OpenKM classifies this invoice differently because the system detects the lack of data to complete the document metadata group. In this example, the user edits the metadata group to add the necessary information so that they can relocate the invoice in OpenKM. On the other hand, OpenKM provides an exclusive work area for metadata. For example, if we want to search for an invoice by a metadata field, we just have to select the appropriate metadata group and choose the metadata field we want. As we can check, the system shows us the invoice we were looking for as a result through the identifier, while we access more data extracted automatically thanks to the OCR module. We can see how this dynamic extends to any type of document, in this example, invoices.